Let's take a look at an 18th century American book. This binding here is 18th century. This type of gilt red morocco spine label is typical, along with these slightly askew gilt rules on the smooth spine. This is a typical nice modeled or marbled calf binding. And as so often happens, the leather along the joints has dried over time, and so that the covers become detached like so. However, as a testament to how sturdy books like this of this era were sewn and bound, it remains absolutely tight as issued. The title page here tells us that there is an accurate table of the post offices in the United States in this volume, and indeed, if we go to the rear like so, we see this appendix here, and we see one of the post offices is in Dover, New Hampshire, which is where we are right now. The title page is 1798, June, Thomas and Andrews, and the nice thing about this volume is that the original map is still in as a frontispiece. The imprint here, 1798, across the top, and we see the title in the oval cartouche is the map of North America from the latest discoveries. We see here the mythical kingdom in this vast space of Quivira. We see a river of the west leading into this giant bay. This was an area of great speculation prior to the explorations of Lewis and Clark and so on. What we'll see if we look in this standard cartobibliography here of Wheat and Brune, this is the reference book that is the standard on maps and charts published in America prior to the year 1800. This map is number 62. He gives identifying features to it, including he mentions the River of the West and so on. But he does say, when he found this map, that it appeared in Jedidiah Morse's Geography Made Easy. But what we see here is he notes there is a second state of this map, which should be here in this abridgment of the American Gazetteer, which is what this book is. But in fact, the map that he mentions, number 63, which is a second state, which has two dots which have been placed to identify the second plate inside this oval, are in fact not present here. So this book, this abridgment, has the first state of the map, which is just a small cartographic, bibliographic twist. But it's interesting, is what it is. It's just merely interesting. And so this book, as we see it here, as it survives, is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.